Hello everyone! Today, I'll guide you through the process of deactivating and deleting your X account. If you're ready to bid farewell to your X account, let's jump right in. To initiate the account deletion process, open the X app. Locate and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to access your account settings. Within your profile, tap on Settings and Support. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Your Account to access specific account settings. Scroll down the options until you find Deactivate Your Account. Tap on this to proceed. Once you've selected Deactivate Your Account, select down further and tap on the Deactivate option. For security purposes, you'll need to enter your account password. Input your password and proceed by tapping Deactivate. Confirm the deactivation by tapping Yes, Deactivate. This ensures that you are intentional about the decision to deactivate your account. Remember, your account will remain deactivated for 30 days. During this time, you have the option to reactivate it by logging back into the X app or website. And that's all it takes to deactivate and delete your X account. After the 30-day deactivation period, your account will be permanently deleted. If you ever change your mind within the deactivation period, feel free to reactivate by logging in. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!